excited to have you all here， 欢迎大家，希望我们可以一起成功，加油！谢谢。Thank you。
Our company, PlexBio, developed multiplex molecular assay that could detect multiple mutations in just one reaction. So, for example, our non-small cell lung cancer panel, they can detect 102 mutation targets in one time. Then we also have other single gene kits like KRAS, BRAF, other mutation kits can combination to use for colon cancer diagnosis. That is our new product called the IntelliPrep Trail 240. That is automation sample preparation system that can extract DNA and RNA, then do quantification, then dilute to the target concentration, then prepare the dilute the nucleic acid and prepare to the in the PCR plate for the downstream PCR detection. Our core technology called the PI-code microdisc. You can see this is our microdisc, and the PI-code is precision image code. So we use the precision image as the ID that it can identify different mutations. So that's why we can detect multiple mutations up to 200 targets per well and use only one fluorescence.
Okay, we are Chang Gu Biotechnology from Taiwan, and today in Bio Boston here, 2023, we bring our product EVA system to here, and our product is expandable vertebral augmentation system. It's trying to treat the vertebral compression fracture caused by osteoporosis patients. And our advantage, different from the existing surgery, is that we are an implantable implant device. We can put into the collapsed body. Then by operating our spatial instruments, we can restore the vertebral body height by the expandable blade, titanium blade. Then this blade can become a frame structure. Let the bone cement be restricted when we are trying to put a cement inside our body. So it provides more safety and more stability when the implant putting inside. We already obtained the Taiwan FDA approval in 2017, and we sell about 1,000 kits per year in Taiwan right now. And we also obtained the ISO in 2020 and also the CE certificates in 2021. By attending this exhibition, we can find more partners to help us to explore the overseas market.
Hello, hi, I'm Kevin Polis. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of OBI Pharma. Now, our goals at today's meeting and throughout the meeting is to look to license our novel innovative compounds to pharmaceutical partners that would maximize the value of those assets. Now, why our assets are so unique? And we are really focused on innovative cancer therapies. We believe that we are building innovation in cancer, and that's through novel products, novel targets, and novel thinking. At this meeting, we're talking about 3 novel targets. One that targets global H. It's a first-in-class target that's very unique in cancer. And we have 2 different programs against that target. We have a cancer vaccine program and an ADC. The good news about these programs, one is in a global international phase 3 study in a high unmet need called triple-negative breast cancer. It would be the first drug ever to be approved in this indication if successful. We're keeping our fingers crossed, but we're well underway into that trial. Our ADC program, we're focusing on multiple cancers, and that's in phase 2. Another target we're developing this novel is called AKO1C3. It's an innovative chemotherapy that's in phase 2 trials being developed for multiple cancers. And lastly, to top that innovation, we believe we have a best-in-class anti-TROP2 ADC that's early stage development, and we plan to develop that by the end of this year.
Hi, I'm Eric Ko. I'm the President and CEO of Formosa Pharmaceuticals, and I'm very happy to have this opportunity to tell you about our company. Formosa Pharma was founded in 2010, but full operations in 2016. And we operate in 3 main areas, as you can see here. And I'll talk about our APNT nanoparticle formulation technology, which we acquired in 2017. It works on the principle of particle reduction, and is well suited for those APIs that have low water solubility. This APNT technology was used to develop APP13007. That's our flagship program. It is a clobetasol propionate ophthalmic nanosuspension for the treatment of inflammation and pain after ocular surgery. And we're happy to say that we have submitted the NDA package to the US FDA last month, and looking forward, we expect the approval to be in the first quarter of next year. Okay. As well as we also work in oncology. We're developing TSY-0110, which is a biosimilar of Kadcyla. It's an antibody drug conjugate for the treatment of breast cancer. And we are preparing that for CTA submission in the EU first for clinical trials next year. We are looking for partnering of APP13007 primarily in the US market, as well as other regional areas. We're also looking to promote our APNT nanoparticle formulation technology for co-development for those companies that have APIs that have very poor water solubility or distribution. And then lastly, we're looking also for early partners for TSY-0110 for co-development.
BRIM Mobile is the AI SaaS cloud-based platform, and we can analyze 20 features in our platform, and we help pharmaceutical company and also clinical trial company to speed up their development process. And we have another application about digitwins through our ECG technology. And by this event, we already get a pre-order, $500,000, and we will sign the contract at the end of this year. So originally, its time came from 45 minutes, and it can shorten to 5 minutes. And analysis time, only 2 minutes can complete all the process. So it can set up 50% efficiency for hospital center. And for pharma and clinical trial company, we can find its target customer. So we can speed up the drug development time, and also we can decentralize the data for clinical trial company. Our data is verified by the third party from FDA, and we will get the certification and pass FDA at the end of this year.
Hi, we are BRIM Biotech. BRIM is a company focused on developing the first-in-class to combat and cure disease. And our project is based on the unique PDSP programs. And this is a short peptide derived from PEDF. And now I want to introduce our lead assay, BRIM421. It's a drug for dry eye disease. And it is not only to relieve the symptom, but also repair the cornea damage. So based on the property of the PDSP, BRIM421 can treat the dry eye disease by multiple MOAs, including inhibit the inflammations, which can break the visual cycles of the dry eye disease. And also can maintain the Goldman cell number and restores the mammalian glands. Therefore, it can enhance the tear quality. And finally, it speeds up the cornea repair by activating the lymphostem cells. We have already enrolled a patient in the United States for the phase 3 trials, and now we expect the data by the end of this year. We also have another drug called BRIM424. It's another ophthalmology assays for NKs. And 421 has received the ODD from the US FDA. And now we are planning to enroll the patients in the United States for the phase 2 trials by the quarter 3 this year. And we also have other incubations projects like the O8 and other exciting projects in incubations at the discovery stage. So now we are actively seeking the global partnership for licensing out or co-development opportunities.